In this demo, we will show you the capabilities of using Amazon Q in QuickSight. The data in this demo represents viewership and subscription data of customers of a fictitious company called Quick Media. We've already linked an existing Q topic to our analysis. Now, let's ask Q to build us a visual that shows us the top 10 countries by subscribers and subscription type. We'll add another visual which can show us the most popular genres by total hours watched. Now let's look at the subscription details for the United States. Cool. So we can see that in our first visual, we have a total of subscriptions by year. But how do we see percent changes across years or different periods? To answer this, we need to write a calculation. Just tell what you want to use using natural language. Great! Let's refine our visuals more. Rather than figuring out which buttons to click and setting up to apply, we can tell Q what we want to change. Let's try another one to see how we can even add conditional formatting to the subscription details visual. You can see how quickly GenBI is able to help build visuals and calculations quickly. Now, as a business user, I want to be able to extract insights about my data without the help of IT or business analysts. Let's start with the dashboard, which shows various metrics and quick insights of the Quick Media company. This page provides machine learning insights generated by QuickSight. We can navigate to any part of the dashboard by clicking the navigation icons below to view the geo impact, popularity, or the viewing stats. Let's take a closer look at the viewing stats. This visual shows that December is the most popular month for viewing, and overall customers are watching more movies than series. It also provides viewing stats by devices, hour of day, and the most watched titles. You can even select year and see the metrics for the selected year. Dashboards are great to understand all aspects of your data, but it can be difficult to quickly extract the most significant pieces of information when you're in a rush. Executive summary features can help by analyzing the data presented in the dashboard and creating a summary of key aspects in an easy-to-digest format. The executive summary can be attained from any of the sheets we have on this dashboard. You can see that the viewing stats increased significantly in December 2022. That's interesting, but I want to know more about why that happened. To do so, I can ask Q. Q has scanned all the other fields of my data to uncover what were key drivers that caused the viewing hours to increase. Next, I might want to know how my subscription data is trending in the forecast. Let's ask another question. Notice that Q generated the forecast based on historical data. Let's say I have data that was recently added to the dataset in topic but not available on my dashboard. Let's ask one more question about the different title types. Notice here I got more than a single visual back. I got an entire dashboard with multiple related slices of the data. Very interesting. This might be something worth pointing out to in leadership in our next monthly business review. My boss has come to me with a question on which content is popular during the holiday period. This is where data stories can help me get jump-started on beautiful narratives that contain key insights and recommendations that can help drive decisions in the meeting. After typing my prompt and selecting my visuals, Q has built me a starting point with a complete outline including an introduction, several sections with key findings and their visualizations, and even recommended next steps and a conclusion. From here, we can refine our story further. For instance, we can ask Q to change one of these sections to bullet points or make it longer or shorter. And by adding my own business context, I can have this ready to share in a fraction of the time. For Quick Media Company, the generative capabilities of Amazon Q and QuickSight help both analysts create new dashboards quickly, as well as business users to uncover, drill into, and share their key insights with others in order to help data-driven decision-making.